Hello again and welcome to another video, and today I've got for you this Land Rover Range Rover 3.6 TdV8 Vogue SE, finished in the Nara bronze. Lovely colour with the black alloys. Those wheels are in good nick, they've not long been refurbished. A couple of minor bits on the bodywork. Chip there, a little bit of rust coming through there, not too bad. There's a couple of minor dents along there, again not too bad. Got the tow bar, so if you need to work it, it will tow whatever you want. It's all good condition on the wheel arches, so now they do suffer a bit from corrosion there. Those all look good. Nice looking car, drives nice. It. There's a slight scratch there on the front wheel arch, nothing too bad. Brown leather interior, seats all in good nick. Electric memory seats both sides at the front. Controls there for electric windows, electric door mirrors, automatic lighting. So we've got the sunroof, tilt and slide, and there's also got the push button stop start. 87,000 miles, no warning lights. Partial service history, it's all in there. The rear entertainment as well. So if I can show you that. So the TV playing through that at the moment. Controls for that are in there. Also you can connect the headphones down there. It's got rear climate control and rear heated seat controls there as well. Headphones, all nice condition leather. TV, the split screen if you want it on in the front. DAB radio. Sat nav. Connect your Bluetooth phone to it as well if you want. Heated and cooled seats. Rear climate switch on and off there, air conditioning, your terrain select, and your ride height select, electric handbrake, automatic gearbox, cruise control, and Bluetooth controls there, electric tilt and slide sunroof. Got some slight damage on the glove box there, that will need repairing, and you've got a CD changer in there, so you can load some CDs to play. So yeah, nice car, drives nice, like I said. Controls there, input for USB or iPod cable, 12-volt socket. There is 2 keys with it. Locking wheel nut tool is all with it. So there you go. If you're looking for a nice looking Rangey, give me a shout on the usual number, or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.